back to the podcast, everyone. Today we have Dr. Karen with us, and we're diving into some fresh perspectives on AI and real estate. So, Dr. Karen, to start us off, what's one surprising way AI has made your day-to-day coaching life easier? You'll give your answer here, and I'll roll right into the next question.
All right, perfect. That's such a great question. AI has made me do so many different things when it comes to my brokerage and coaching agents, because I like to be able to teach them systems in place, workflows in place, and use AI as a business partner and not just a one-off answer and then say I'm excited about it, but use it as your business partner and make it work for you. And I especially love the workflows on how I can teach agents and also teach them about branding with the different avatars.
That's fantastic. I love that perspective on AI as a business partner. Now, let me ask you this. When it comes to helping agents get comfortable with these tools, what's your favorite piece of advice for someone who's just a little bit hesitant to dive into AI?
Well, keep in mind that AI is not here to replace you. It is here to help you scale your business and leverage your business. And don't be afraid. Just start one AI tool at a time. Master it, learn it, and understand it. Think about it like when you first started using Google, when you first started using Facebook and so on. Just think about it on how you were back then, and now you just do it like it's a part of your everyday lifestyle and your business.
Absolutely. That's such a reassuring way to put it. And I think that's going to resonate with a lot of folks listening. Now for our final question, what's one trend you see on the horizon that you think real estate agents should be paying attention to over the next year when it comes to DI or tech in general? And then you can give that final answer and I'll wrap us up.
All right, perfect. I think that we should all be paying attention to what's going on with the AI. Don't totally get caught up with AI because you still have to do your business. And what I recommend that real estate agents do is continue to focus on high-level money-making activities and allow AI to use tasks that agents could be doing, but they don't have to be licensed doing it. Let the AI or let other entities, virtual assistants or whoever, do skills and tasks that you don't have to be licensed to do.
That's a perfect note to end on. It's all about letting AI handle those tasks that don't need your license, so you can really focus on what drives your business forward. So thank you, Dr. Cam, for sharing those insights. And to everyone listening, remember, just take it one step at a time and AI will fit right into your routine. Thanks for joining us today.